This is a quick demonstration of the mobile HandyMate application, a very easy-to-use tool for creating damage repair estimates for vehicles. To begin with, all you have to do is scan or type the registration code or VIN code in this field, and you can get all the details about the vehicle. This is how the process works. In the main fields, you have the various job and vehicle information. Most important is the VIN code. You will be able to add other data from the catalog later on. If an insurance company is involved, add the insurance company's particulars and claim number. All this data can come from an API integration. Later, you can take some pictures of the vehicle, add them to the file and the estimate. You can also annotate the pictures if you choose. In this next stage, we will use the convenient, comprehensive catalog. There are several ways to prepare a repair quote. Start by choosing the side where the damage occurred and the degree of damage. For example, front left, slight damage. You can also add from a predefined list and choose the parts and what work needs to be done: replace, repair, and/or refinish. If the front grille is not damaged, for example, don't include it. If the hood needs extensive repair, add it. Click Done, and the estimate is ready, quickly and easily. Another way to do this is by using the catalog to visually select parts. Click on the headlamp and choose the relevant info from the drop-down menu. Click Done, and you have a full, complete repair estimate. You can then choose the repair level and click to see the full repair price quote. All fully laid out in detail with vehicle type, part details, and full calculations for the parts and labor according to Volkswagen labor time codes. Add your signature to the quote, click Done, and it can be shared with insurance companies or anyone you choose via email and/or the Horizon system. Click Done, and you're done, quickly, easily, and cost and time efficiently. Another way to use the HandyMate application by smartphone is to use voice assistance. For example, if you want to add a part to this estimate, you can add an additional repair quote by clicking on the microphone in the upper right corner. A voice assistance menu will be opened, and all you need to do is click on the microphone icon and read out the requested instruction. For example, say accident and record where the damage is, front, rear, etc. This makes it simple to select all the parts easily by voice.